hot foot scuffle. It's choreographed by John Robinson. It is a 64 count 2-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn the hot foot scuffle. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to place your right heel forward, touch your right next to your left, touch your right toe to the right side, and then step your right next to your left. We're now going to repeat that with our left, so you're going to put your left heel forward, touch your left next to your right, touch your left toe to the left side, and step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 heel splits. So using the balls of both feet, we're going to swivel both heels out, in, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to place our right heel forward, step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward, step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts doing your heel splits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do lock steps. So you're going to step your right foot forward and slightly into the diagonal. Bring your left foot in and behind your right, step forward with your right and scuff your left heel. You're now going to step forward with your left, bring your right foot in and behind your left, step forward with your left, and as you step forward with your left, you're going to start your turn over your left shoulder. We're going to make a half turn as we scuff our right heel to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, we're going to do step lock steps. So you're going to step your right foot forward slightly into the diagonal, bring your left foot in and behind your right, step your right foot forward and scuff your left heel, step your left foot forward slightly into the diagonal, bring your right foot in and behind your left, step your left foot forward and scuff your right heel. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to stomp your left next to your right, kick your left foot forward, stomp your left next to your right. We're now going to do a grapevine to the left with a stomp. So you're going to step your left foot to the side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, stomp your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just scuffed our right heel, so you're stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6, we're going to repeat that. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, stomp your left next to your right, kick your left foot forward, and then stomp your left next to your right. Do a grapevine to the left, stepping left side, right behind, left side, stomp your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just stomped that right foot, so you're going to step to the left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to make sure every single one of those stomps, you are doing a stomp up, so you're not taking any weight on any of those stomps, so that you can use that foot to continue whatever motion we are doing next. Section 7. From here, we're going to do side scuff. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, scuff your left heel. Step your left foot to the left side, scuff your right heel. We're now going to head back slightly into the diagonal, stepping back right, left together, right, and then scuff your left heel. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 8, and our final section of the dance. We're going to repeat what we just did, but starting with the left. So you're going to step your left foot to the side, scuff your right heel, step your right foot to the side, scuff your left heel. Then we're going to head back into the back diagonal with our left, stepping left back, right together, left back, and you're going to scuff your right heel, being able to go right into the beginning of the next wall. So let's try that with some counts. We just scuffed our right heel, you're stepping to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you want to make sure that this scuff goes further enough forward so that you can go into your heel touch, step together. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your heel touch. So it's heel touch, out, step, heel touch, out, step. Heel split, heel split, heel step, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, half scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, side stomp, kick stomp, grapevine with a stomp, side stomp, kick stomp, grapevine with a stomp, side scuff, back together, back scuff, side scuff, back together, back scuff. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your heel. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice how it flows. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your heel forward. So it's heel, touch, point, step, heel, touch, point, step, heel, split, heel, step, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, half scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, side stomp, kick stomp, grapevine with a stomp, side stomp, kick stomp, grapevine with a stomp, side scuff, back together, back scuff, side scuff, back together, back scuff, heel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, heel touch, point step, heel touch, point step, heel split, heel step, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, half scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, side stomp, kick stomp, grapevine with a stomp, side stomp, kick stomp, grapevine with a stomp, side scuff, back together, back scuff, side scuff, back together, back scuff, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn hot foot scuffle. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
She walked into the blue. got this